Today we're gonna show you how we can generate UI design and for an application by using UiZard app. So why we're using UiZard app to so you can see there is a Generative with Auto Designer. So it is an AI application to by a prompt designing, and we're gonna try that. So let's start. We click this. So let's see what we have. So use simple text to generate your project using UiZard AI-powered Auto Designer. So let's start with it. It's had mobile, tablet, and desktop capabilities. So we stick to mobile. Let's start with mobile. And either if you have an application in your mind, you can go through it, or you can try an example. It had multiple examples. So So let's try a a flight booking application. So let's go hit continue, and we can see there are four options to generate the style via screenshot, URL, and brand kit. So we will go via prompt option. So that's what we are trying to achieve over here, and you can see there are specific preferred styles for your project, what styles it will take. To try example, so we can um, either green and minimalist approach, or else we can try some dark UI concept with orange theme. So let's see, and we'll make it as a modern, whatever. Let's try it. Let's hit generate my project, and you'll see it is loading, and we'll wait for some time. Okay, so so what you are seeing is AI is designing for you based on your prompts, and you are seeing is an so top part, it will be an interactive prototype based on your prompt. It will take the uh, common use case and build you a flow. And in the down below, it also gives you additional design proposals. So as we have seen, we have already given a prompt to give dark UI with a orange theme. So that's what it is. And let's see what he is. So we have welcome, onboarding screens, home screens. Wow. So we have a search options. Yeah. So little bit mismatch is there, but yeah, we can fix this because we haven't given the pairing and all those specifications in details. So so let's see what it has been. Let's have a look the prototype. Okay, so we have prototype ready, and so you can see some image over there. Fly easy. It also given a name. Fly and book flights hassle free. So that's how it is. So we have can skip the intro, and we can dig through. So what we have, we can search. and these are cards also, right? Okay, we can write the name also. Search. Okay, this is not that far interactive. Okay, so let's go back and see what we can change over here. So if we don't want this design system, so we can modify, or if we want to modify a particular screen, let's say I need a login screen instead of this screen. So we'll prompt again. We'll write, I want a login screen with the which will allow Google login as well. So let's hit button and see. So here it is. So so you can see AI is creating for you. So so let's so it has been done, and let's use in the design. So you see this is has been done. So we can adjust a bit. Yep, that's it. So it has email, it has password, login, and login by Google. So more the prompt in details, the AI will give the results accordingly. So here we have this thing right now. Now let's see what we can do with Auto Designer. So for now we can, so let's add theme, for instance. All right, so type a description. I want to change in light theme with blue color. Let's see. Let's see what it does. So let's say preview generated theme. So we have now theme changed entirely by writing the prompt only. So we don't have to go individual screens and make changes each and everything. So let's apply generative theme. Yep, it's been applied. Done for now. And here it is. We can see theme has been changed. So here is how we used um, UiZard to get a flow of an application by writing prompt, not done single design from my side. So it's all been done from the AI part as well. Yeah. Thank you for the video, and let's catch up later.